India USA trade deal has not yet been signed per se. Well, certain things like tariff reduction have been agreed upon. But where are the official documents for that? Well, the official documents are Truth Social Platform and X Platform. Mr. Donald Trump has posted something on Truth. What is it? You can see here that he has mentioned that yes, we will be reducing the reciprocal tariff from 25% to 18%. But this comes with a condition where he has mentioned that he agreed to stop buying Russian oil and buy more from the United States and potentially Venezuela. Now, who he? What he mentions is Modi ji has agreed to stop buying Russian oil. Is he alone saying this? Is someone else also saying that? Have a look at this. Their press secretary, you can see her White House press secretary Caroline Levitt, she also has mentioned that India committed to no longer purchasing Russian oil. And in fact, Reuters also mentions that India agrees to end Russian oil purchases. Wow. So all these people are saying that we have committed to stop buying Russian oil. But where is our official communication? If you have seen yesterday, Piyush ji also gave a statement. Modi ji has also mentioned this on Twitter. What? Is it about not buying Russian oil? No. Nowhere it is mentioned. Just have a look at what he has posted on Twitter. Yes, he has mentioned about reducing tariff to 18% and he has said, yes, this is a big thanks to President Trump on behalf of 140 crore deshwasiyon. But nowhere is it mentioned that we will stop buying Russian oil. You can easily read this as well. But then the question is that has Russian media come to know about it that we are going to stop buying Russian oil? What news do they have? Let's have a look at the Moscow Times. Very clearly it is mentioned, no word on India stopping oil purchases, Kremlin says. All in all, there's a big confusion. USA feels that we are going to stop buying Russian oil. We have not said that. Neither Russia says that they have received any official communication from us. So it's completely big question mark. If you want to know more about this, just click here and check out our YouTube video.